Hi, my name is Amreen Khan. I am a blogger and photographer. I love shooting flat lays and travel photographs. So today I'm here to talk about flat lay photography. Yes, I'm not a pro or I'm not really the best flat lay photographer to talk about it, but I have clicked quite many flat lays and I have learned quite a lot of things as I experimented. I'll give you some very basic tips that will help you click a better flat lay. I know that we all are stuck inside our house as this is lockdown. This is the best time to actually experiment or play around with flat lay because it's something that you can do indoors. It gives your creativity another boost. My very first step is to use a basic background. So it's really essential that your background always complement your objects in the picture. You always have this kind of products or this objects which you want to use as prop which goes with your theme. You should think of the color of your backdrop such that it will create a better contrast for your objects, and where the kind of color and the kind of texture that would enhance the look of your product. I always prefer using white backdrops or black or some wooden table, or then go for white bed sheets, fuzzy blanket. Second essential thing is to have natural light. Always prefer going to that spot of your house which has the best possible light inside. Make sure that the light is coming from certain direction that does not create a lot of shadows in your picture. Harsh shadows are something which we consider not good for flat lay pictures. Leave space between each object. The very important things which makes your flat lay a flat lay is to take pictures from bird's eye view or the top shot. The way you hold your phone matters the most. So if you're taking a picture of, suppose I'm taking a picture of something on this floor, I would not keep my phone like this or like this or like this. I must keep the phone straight, which is really essential. This is where most of us fail at taking flat lay picture. I know these are few things which can be fixed after taking a picture, but I think we should not take risk and do our best when we can while we click the picture. So let's do it that way. So with this scorchy heat and too much of chat that I have already done, let's get into the flat lay.
So in order to click today's flat lay, I collected few props and found out that I have too many beauty products which are in pink color. So I thought, why not use the Single Palette Flatlay for this tutorial. So it's basically a flat lay which has all the products in same shade of color or same color. I have chosen white backdrop for this picture because I thought that pink will look the best in this color. I also have a habit of trying different colored backdrops before choosing one so that I can get the best results. Here you also have to make sure that all of the props are in similar height or depth so that it doesn't really create a lot of shadows in between different props. So please make sure that they are of the same height. So I'll put all of the props on my backdrop and I'll try arranging them in a certain manner. I try to think of a shape, or usually I just go with my intuitions. So I segregate the products which are in similar shape and kind of balance out the entire frame by keeping these similar products in two corners of the picture. Then I take my phone and take some trial shots and see what changes are needed, do the necessary changes, move the things around, and then I again try to take pictures. So I keep taking the trial shots. It gives me idea of what angle is the best one and if there's any minute changes needed in the picture. This is the second layout of the same picture. Here I've tried to keep all the larger products in the center, which is this box from L'Occitane. I'm keeping it in the center and arranging all the small objects around it. Also, I could not find a place for the necklace, so I decided to just show it as if it's coming out of the this box, and I think that gives a pretty good effect to the picture. And here I'm gonna click this one. Also guys, it's really important that you know the correct frame structure in which you want your picture to be depending on where you want to post it. So like for Instagram, I always prefer clicking it in square format, so I choose the same before I take the picture, and if not, I keep the frame ratio to 4:5 or 1:1 and then take pictures. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Would love to see your flatlays, how they turned out, and stay home, keep clicking, keep sharing.
If you want to have a look at more flatlay pictures and more of my work, you can go to my profile, Amy Swift. We would love to see your flatlay pictures, so kindly tag me and Cicerone page in your account so that we can have a look at them. And till then, let's say goodbye.